Welcome to our channel. Hey, we're going to open the package.
This package came from D.I.Y. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so these are the materials from the kit. So I've got 10 bamboo sticks, 5 dowel pins, 15 rubber bands, and a cellophane. Quite big. And then here are the extra materials that I'm going to use. A glue gun with a glue stick with it, scissor, Japanese paper, ruler, pencil. I will not be using this to write, but I am going to use this for something else. We'll find out. And finally, glue. So our first step is we're going to align them together. And then we twist it and then put it down there. And then we're going to connect the others. And we're going to do the next. So we have planned it over here. And then we go to the next. And then we do the other part, or the last one. Now that we've done our first star, we're going to repeat the entire process on the other 5 bamboo sticks to make another star just like this. Now we have 2 stars. So the next thing we'll do is glue the points of the star. Then we have to align the next star and then glue the points too. And now I have got 5 dowel pins and I'm going to stick them on each 5 parts. But make sure that they are straight when you glue them. Next, you get the glue and glue it on the 5 points too. And then we take the one that we glued on and we stick it over here. And when the glue is already dry, use this rubber band to stick these 2 together. You have to bend them until they meet. It's pretty tricky, but I hope you can do it. So we've tied them all together and here's how it looks. I have here 22 pieces of cellophane. They are cut by 4 by 5 inches. So the first thing I will do is glue this into these lines. Stick the cellophane here and then cut the excess after. The thing I'll do is put the glue on the other lines or the other points and then put the cellophane and cut it. And now we are done with the first side. We will now do the second side. So for the sides, I'm not going to glue it over here and here because they are thin and it will give you a hard time. Instead, I'll be gluing it over here and here, and I will need to overlap the cellophane so it will stick here. And then we do the same for all the other sides. So here's our star over here, but it's not yet complete. We need to cover up these 5 points with paper. So I have some squares over here, and they're made out of Japanese paper. They are approximately 2 by 2 inches, so it doesn't need to be exact. I'm only going to show you the use of the pencil. So what I'm going to do is get this pencil and put the paper over here, make sure it's at the center, and then just curl it down. Glue this part, and then we put it over here. And then just keep doing it until it's filled. Yay! We're finally done with our star. Looks nice. See? So for the parol tail, I'll be using Japanese paper. It's color red, and there are two of them. See? And I'm going to be using another two white Japanese paper. That's just about the same size as red. They're cut about this big. So for the first step, I'm going to be folding this diagonally 4 times, but the last one is different. So for the next step, I'm going to make 4 cuts. I'm going to make 3 cuts in between these 4 cuts. Do the same with the red. Fold. And then cut. The next thing we do is unfold this white paper. There we go. It looks like a spider web somehow. Now we put the two together. So I have already glued the 2 papers together. And now what I am going to do is take this cardboard and glue it. The cardboard circle should be about 3 inches long. So as you can see, we poked the hole at the center of the cardboard. So we are going to put the wire in the hole and pull it on the other side. So we will now cut the wire here and we'll make a knot. We now have our parol tail. Yes, I finally made my first DIY parol. By the way guys, I got the materials and tips to make the parol from D.I.Y. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in our next adventure. Bye!